Can we use module federation with Vite as well? Would it be even simpler than using WebPack? It turns out that module federation is not yet included in Vite. However, there are some plugins available. Let's try out this plugin, as it seems to have broader community acceptance. Here's the sample project. It consists of a hosting application and 2 features, each implemented as a separate web application. We start again from the initial project setup and install the Vite plugin for all 3 applications. The minimal configuration for this plugin is quite similar to WebPack. We import the plugin into the Vite config of each feature application and configure it to expose the feature's main component as before. In the hosting application, we also import the Vite plugin and then configure the remote modules, again quite similar to how we configured WebPack earlier. Importing and using the remote modules in the hosting application then looks exactly the same as with WebPack. Let's run all apps and open the hosting application in the browser. As we can see, the minimal configuration is not working. When we check the network tab of the browser, we can see that this time the remote entry JavaScript files are not even available. Let's try to access the remote entry.js files directly in the browser using the URL which we had taken over from the plugin documentation. Surprisingly, we are not seeing any JavaScript code, but we get redirected to the main page of the feature app. Research shows that serving the remote entry scripts is not supported by the Vite dev server. So to make this setup work, we have to build the feature apps for production and then use the Vite preview command to run each app from its production build. In order to still support hot reload in this setup, we install the concurrently package and change the preview script to automatically rebuild the feature app if any source file changes and run Vite preview in parallel. Let's restart all apps and reload the hosting application in the browser. The workaround seems to partially work. At least the remote modules of the features are now loaded. But we still face the same issues as with the minimal WebPack setup earlier. The CSS styles are not working properly, and the reactivity of the feature components seems to be broken. So without further research, let's simply apply the same fixes. Let's ensure that the IDs used for styling are unique, and also configure the Vite plugin to share a single Vue.js instance across all apps. This requires support for top-level await, which is only supported when changing the build target to a modern JavaScript version. Let's restart the apps one more time and reload the hosting application in the browser. Et voila! Now module federation using Vite finally works as well.